The sheer scale of the magnet belies the precision engineering required to build it.
This facility represents the pinnacle of medical engineering, assembling the most powerful MRI machines in the world.
Here we see the Kapton insulation being applied MRI coils. This thin
The assembly line automatically pauses, allowing the high-resolution camera to meticulously inspect the superconducting coil for imperfections.
The gap tolerance here is within the specified range. I'll log this on the tablet and move to the next section.
The cooling system prevents overheating, as the copper cable is precisely laid.
This massive cryostat shell, the heart of the MRI machine, is meticulously lowered into place.
We're clear for alignment. Character B, start securing the clamps.
Roger that. Engaging the torque wrench now.
Okay, the connection is secure.
Engaging the pumps now. Pressure holding steady. We route the probe slowly along every weld to ensure the vacuum seal is perfect before the cold test.
Ready for final torque sequence on the lower mounts.
Sequence complete. All green.
The laser alignment rig ensures perfect concentricity, a vital step in the production of these advanced MRI.
Slowly now, bring it down another meter.
Clearance looks good.
Engaging the clamps. Secure the rods.
Guide it slowly, making contact now.
Connection secure. Starting the flow rate. We're holding steady at 90 Kelvin.
We've stabilized right at 4 Kelvin.
Excellent. The shielding is fully engaged. And here we see the crucial measurement. Absolute zero resistance, confirming superconductivity. The magnetic field uniformity is stabilizing now. We are within the acceptable range.
Confirmed. The adjustments look good on this visualization.
Maintaining a perfectly flat magnetic field is crucial. This screen confirms absolute stability across the assembly line.
Okay, bring it down 5 millimeters.
Confirmed, 5 millimeters down.
Clear on the left side.
The copper and gold mesh is crucial. It provides the radio frequency shielding required for a clear signal. The large diameter quench pipe must be carefully routed upwards through the facility ceiling to ensure a safe passage for the cryogens.
Self-check complete. All systems normal.
Aligning position 3.
Looks good. Go for the snap.
Look at the detail here. The gradient linearity is spot on.
Agreed. The reconstruction algorithm handled the data beautifully.
Radiant coils are approaching peak resonance. Monitor the shielding closely.
Levels holding steady at 98%. System performance is nominal. Levels are holding stable despite the simulated surge.
Simulation complete. Logging the results on the tablet.
Initiating ramp down sequence now.
Field decay is nominal. Looks good.
Boot sequence complete on auxiliary systems.
Confirmed. All diagnostics are green. We are cleared for full operation.
The metrics are holding steady. We're looking good for certification.
Absolutely. The system is performing flawlessly.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down another foot. Copy that, moving slowly. Clear on the left side.